Hello everybody, it's Family Cooking Life. Here we go again. Today is Mother's Day, so the whole family is here, so it's going to be a chaotic video. There's going to be interruptions and kids and everything. It's going to be so much fun. I'm going to be making a frittata and with a potato crust on the bottom, the hash browns on the bottom, the eggs, and all of our mushrooms and our tomatoes and our shallots and jalapenos, and the kids don't like frittata, so we're gonna make them something else. But yeah, first things first is I have to get the potatoes sliced very thin. I make them on the bottom. I boil them up a bit first, so I'm gonna get to that. Okay, once the potatoes peeled, then we're gonna slice it nice and thin, making thin, kind of long hash browns. The kids absolutely love these. So I'll do that with all of these potatoes, and then we'll get them boiling. Okay, once we have everything sliced up in our potatoes, we're going to throw them in a pan, and we're going to put some water in here and get them softened, boil them up a bit. It won't take about 10 or 15 minutes, not even. And then we can start making our hash browns on our grill. Got my bacon cooked, as you can see. I'm using bacon grease, because I love using bacon grease for frying these potatoes up. It gives them great flavor. And then we'll start mixing our frittata up and chopping all our vegetables. Okay, first things first, I'm gonna get these shallots processed and chopped up. And, okay, shallots processed, cut. Next, my mushrooms. Get done these really fast. Next are peppers. Don't need all of these. Few. We got one hot chili. I'm gonna process this, chop it up, and some green onions really fast. If you don't want it too hot, you should take your red hot chilies out. I keep a few in, but I get rid of some, so we're all not dying. I also add a couple little jalapenos. Little chefs are in here now. They'll come and hang out. Okay, and green onions. I'm gonna use these at the end and put them on the top when I bake the cheese on. Good. Okay, our potatoes are getting perfectly cooked. I took one out and chopped it. It's almost there. Another minute. And then we can drain these, and then we'll start frying them on there. And for the frittata, we'll have them in this pan. Looks great. So here we go. Potatoes are cooked, as you can see, ready to go. I'm gonna take my bacon grease. We're gonna use that as our oil today. Soup. I love these hash browns. They're so good. All right, now they're on bacon. Getting all fried up nice and crispy. I'm gonna salt and pepper them a little bit. And a little bit of onion powder and a little garlic powder. Garlic powder. And you'll do this on both sides. Beautiful. I'm just going to get the eggs cracked and mixed. We're going to add a little bit of cream and some pepper. I don't add salt till the end because I don't want them getting watery. Okay, eggs. A little half and half cream. Some pepper. We can come over here and check our potatoes. See if they're ready to get flipped. Oh, it's getting close. A little longer for me. Oh. Alright. Okay, now we're going to check the flips. Looking good, nice and crispy. Nice. Yep. We're going to throw some bacon fat in here, and we're going to saute off our vegetables. Okay, our sauteed veg is almost done for our frittata. And once it's ready, I'll take it out. And then I'll start building my frittata, put my hash browns in here, layers of cheese. And yeah, I'm good. Okay, then we're going to take this out of the pan. I added my hot peppers, by the way, but I failed to film it. But I usually add them right at the end. All right. So what I like to do is I take a little more bacon grease. Yeah, we use a lot in this recipe, but it's yummy. For Mother's Day, we do it all. Yeah, you want to help? Farm. Add a couple more potatoes. And we will add a little cheese. It's going to get crispy on the bottom. Okay. Another couple potatoes. Okay, now that we got the bottom layered, got a little bit of cheese, we put some parm on. We want to add a little more cheese. Make sure it gets nice and crusty on the bottom with cheese and potato. We're going to put her on, get her nice and warm. Once it's hot, then we're gonna add our egg mixture. And then once the eggs mixture is a little bit cooked, we're gonna add our vegetables and then some more cheese and bacon. And we've got some jalapenos. It's gonna be great. Here we go. Okay, we're gonna add our ingredients into the liquid egg mixture. It's partially cooked on the bottom and on the top, so we're gonna spread that around. Yeah, it looks good, hey baby? Still nice and jiggly. We're gonna add a little bit of bacon in the mixture and another layer of cheese. And we're going to continue to cook, but we're going to bake it for a little bit in the oven. Okay, so I added a little more cheese, the rest of the bacon. I got some fresh chopped jalapenos on there. I'm going to add some tomatoes at the end, and we're going to season it up just a little bit on the top. But she is almost done. We are going to put it in the oven to get a nice crisp top, and then you'll see the final product. Let's go. Okay, final product. This baby's done. Careful because this thing's hot. And out we go. Oh yeah, it's beautiful. Okay, we're gonna let it cool for a few minutes. Add some fresh green onions on the top. Add some fresh tomatoes. The kids are going crazy in the back. They're hungry. Perfect. Okay, we'll see you when we cut it, and we're gonna have a bite. Okay, our frittata is done. We're gonna eat outside because it's a beautiful day today, and it's Mother's Day. I'm gonna cut this baby. If you want to pan down. Oh, it's cheesy. Perfect. Oh yeah, look at that. Let's get the tomato on the top. Yummy. Another one. Beautiful. Okay, everybody, thanks for joining Family Cooking Life. We have our beautiful frittata, It's going to be amazing. We're going to try some here in a minute. Please like it and subscribe if you like the video, and tell your friends and tell everybody. Thanks. Okay guys, family cooking life. Mom's taking her first bite of frittata. She loves this when I make this.
Very good. It's delicious.
Awesome. My turn. Here I go, but I'm not videoing me. Or maybe. Let's see. See how I did. Oh, yeah. Nice and cheesy. Perfect.